Here's a quick guide on how to set up your Coleman Sundome tent. First, find a level patch of ground, not under a tree, and clear of rocks and sticks. To orient your tent, locate the door by laying the tent out flat. Then place the tent door facing the desired direction. Pull the tent corner to make sure the tent floor is tight. Then stake down tent corners. Next, assemble all the tent poles so that they're straight. Then take the A or main body poles, which are the longest ones, and insert them through the sleeves on the tent to create an X shape. Connect these same main body poles A to the tent by inserting the pin in each tent corner into the pole. Push the poles upward and raise the tent. You can then clip the tent body to the A poles. For the rain fly, insert the shorter B pole into the fly. Place the rain fly on top of the tent. Attach the fly to the A poles using the hook and loop straps. Then, using the S hooks, secure the rain fly to the stake rings. Attach and stake out the Alumaline reflective guy lines, which are the cords attached to the outside of the rain fly. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. If your tent has the ground vent option, stake it out as well. To take down the tent, follow the previous steps in the reverse order.